Welcome to this explainer. Look, today we're going to completely demystify a tool called n8n. And together, we're building a fully automated, AI-powered viral content system. So if you're sick and tired of those repetitive digital chores, you are absolutely in the right place, because we're going to conquer those tasks today. Okay, let's dive right into a frankly staggering number, 30%. Research shows that small and medium businesses lose up to 30% of their working hours to manual tasks that could, honestly, easily be automated. We're talking downloading files, copying and pasting data across spreadsheets, moving info from app to app. It's just a massive drain on your time and energy, right?
And this quote right here brilliantly illustrates our goal today. What would have taken me 3 days to code from scratch, done in 2 hours? That is a direct quote from a developer in the n8n community, who basically found the holy grail of automation, taking a task that used to need days of heavy, manual coding and knocking it out in a couple of hours using visual workflows. I mean, imagine getting literal days of your week back.
So here is our pragmatic roadmap for today. We're going to cover the manual task trap, meet your automation engine, essential tools to begin, step-by-step workflow build, integrating Airtable and Gemini, and finally, start your first workflow.
Section 1. The manual task trap. We all know the absolute pain of being the human interface between our tools, right? Moving files one by one, losing hours of the week. Well, the crucial point here is that n8n replaces this human bridging. So instead of you manually copying a lead from an email into your CRM or, say, an Instagram link into a spreadsheet, n8n connects those systems seamlessly. It's an open-source tool that lets you connect APIs and databases visually, no heavy coding required. That frees you up to focus on actual strategy. Section 2. Meet your automation engine. So the most fundamental building block in n8n is the node. Think of a node as a specific action step. You just drag and drop these blocks. And get this, n8n actually supports over 1,000 of these natively. Everything from sending an email to adding a row in a Google Sheet to querying an advanced AI agent. Each node is just its own self-contained task. Now, to make those nodes actually talk to each other, we use connections. These are just the directional arrows on your canvas showing exactly how your data flows from one node to the next. You literally just draw a line from, say, your email node over to your spreadsheet node, mapping that data visually. Easy.
And think of triggers like a domino effect. Before any of those nodes can run, you need a trigger. It's the initial event that knocks over that first block and sets the whole automation in motion. It might be a scheduled time, like every Monday at 8 a.m., or an event, like someone submitting a new form. But once that trigger fires, boom, the rest of the workflow executes completely automatically.
Section 3. Essential tools to begin.
All right, now that we've got the basic terminology down, let's gather up our essential digital materials before we actually build this viral content engine. To follow along with the exact system we're looking at today, you'll absolutely need an active n8n instance. You can use their cloud version or just self-host it for free. You'll also need an Airtable base to act as your database, an Appify account so we can effortlessly scrape social media platforms like Instagram, and an account with Google AI Studio to access Gemini AI for analyzing our videos.
Section 4. Step-by-step workflow build.
Okay, tools in hand, let's construct a concrete example. We are mapping out an automated system that finds the best performing Instagram Reels in your niche, and then uses AI to write a brand new script for you based on those viral videos. Tracking our flow chronologically, here is exactly how it plays out. First, a schedule trigger kicks off the workflow every single week. Next, an Appify node scrapes the last 30 days of Reels from targeted creators to find the viral ones. Then, a wait node actually pauses the flow for just 30 seconds so the video file can upload to Google servers. After that, a Gemini AI node analyzes the video, breaking it down into a clear idea, hook, and script. And finally, all that data instantly saves right back into your Airtable database. Literally, you wake up on Monday and your content calendar is just filled with proven viral ideas. How cool is that?
Section 5. Integrating Airtable and Gemini.
To make this magic actually happen, we've got to integrate our APIs securely. Now, I know that sounds technical, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the exact clicks required to connect these tools. First up, Airtable. Simply head over to your Airtable Builder Hub. It's right on the side of your dashboard. Create a new personal access token, and just make sure you grant it read and write scopes so n8n can view your lists and add new rows. Copy that token, head back to n8n, and plug it straight into your node's credential settings. Bam! Database connected.
Next up, to scrape Instagram effortlessly and without getting blocked, you'll create a free Apify account. From your dashboard there, navigate to Settings, then Integrations. Generate a new API token, copy that long string of text, and just drop it right into the HTTP request node inside n8n. And just like that, your workflow has the power to search social media.
Finally, we need our AI brain. Open up the Google AI Studio dashboard. You'll see a massive button that says Create an API key. Click it, copy the key, and attach it directly to your Gemini chat model subnode back in n8n. By configuring just these 3 simple credentials, you have officially given your workflow a database, eyes to see the internet, and a brain to analyze it all.
Section 6. Start your first workflow.
So you've got the theory down, your connections are ready to go. But how do you actually launch this thing without getting completely overwhelmed by staring at a blank canvas? Well, if you try building from scratch, you're going to be slowly connecting individual nodes, mapping data fields, manually writing expressions. It can be a pretty steep learning curve. The smartest beginner path? Utilize the community. You can literally just download a pre-built JSON file of a workflow, click Import from File inside n8n, and the entire system instantly pops up on your screen. All you have to do is plug in those API credentials we just created.
Now, as you get comfortable and start tweaking these imported workflows, a quick pro tip: always name your nodes clearly. Something like Classify Customer Tier or Fetch Instagram Reels, rather than just leaving the default names. Trust me, when you come back to this in 3 months, those names are your map. Oh, and test incrementally. Pin your data and test step by step so you catch any data flow errors early, way before the whole sequence runs.
So, to wrap up this explainer, I have to ask you, what 15-minute workflow are you going to build today to win back hours of your life tomorrow? Whether it's sorting your emails, onboarding a new client, or building this exact viral content engine, the power to automate your digital life is literally right at your fingertips with these visual nodes. Start small, connect your first 2 apps, and just watch the magic happen. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy automated.